So in this section, we'll be talking about genetics. And genetics is a really big topic, especially for us, because it's the study of our traits. So more specifically, it's the study of genes, heredity, and variation in living organisms. It is generally considered a field of biology, but intersects frequently with many of the life sciences and is strongly linked with the study of information systems. So this means that it's studying how our traits get passed down from generation to generation. If your mom is blonde and your dad has black hair, and for some reason you have red hair, it could be a genetic trait. So, this is what genetics is studying. So, some of the standards that it focuses on are the inherent traits from parents and the variation of the traits that exist. Um, Traits that are influenced by environment, such as like the beaks of birds or things like that that they've kind of evolved into. The asexual reproduction with offspring versus sexual reproduction. Any observations of young plants that are similar to their parents, maybe not exactly like their parents, so to determine why that is. Um, to look at the chromosomes and how they affect that, um, and then moving forward with that, with the genetic variation of offspring. So the reason that we have genetic variations is because of the traits and alleles that our DNA produces in our chromosomes. And so these are our chromosomes. We have 23 pairs of them. The bottom ones that say X and Y are our sex chromosomes, so that determines if we're a male or a female, and we'll definitely go into more of that. And so each of our chromosomes has different traits attached to it, and so those are determined from the alleles of our parents. And the way we do that is through a Punnett square, which is a really easy way to have to figure out some of the crosses between the different traits. So the Punnett square is a diagram that is used to predict an outcome of a particular cross or breeding experiment. So let's say this is for eye color, and let's say that it's big R, little r is a dominant trait for brown eyes. So when it's big R, it's there's no recessive trait in it. It's you are 100% brown eyes, and then so you have only a 25% chance of having colored eyes of a different color, let's say blue. Um, so that's kind of how we figure out a percentage wise of what it's going to look like. And then this is just another way to kind of show you the different options um, of the traits being distributed to your offspring. So this is with a specific disease, but it's very effective for um, all types of the genetic traits. So we'll get a little more into that. I hope you enjoy it.